PokemonGo is a game that was created by Niantic Studios in 2016. What makes it special is that instead of just playing it on your phone, you have to go out and actually go and catch Pokemon. And this makes this game very unique. Okay, in fact, I would say that this game is the best game for those budding taxonomists out there. Now, what do I mean by taxonomy? Taxonomists are a special branch of biology that seeks to answer two main questions. One, how many species are there in the world? And two, how do we know? And the answer, of course, is that we don't know how many species out there, but then again, we don't really know how to define a species. Okay, whereas in Pokemon Go, there are species out there. In fact, you will know exactly how many species are there out there. The only thing that you don't know is that you have to go outside and catch them. And that's what makes Pokemon Go so special, is that you may be walking down the street and there could be plenty of Pokemon. On the other hand, like in this part of the video, I could be walking down the street and there is no Pokemon. And this is what science really is to go out there and explore nature. Being a school teacher myself, I know that sometimes science is taught in a way that is absolute, like as if you know absolutely everything about a single species, or book, or play, or anything else in the world. But what we fail to realize is that there are a lot of things we don't know about biology, and there are a lot of things we don't know about physics. For instance, if we know everything about biology, we do not need to study anymore, we can close the department down. However, what makes science is the ability to delve into the unknown, look around us and try to piece facts together and to make our world make sense. And that's what science is. The exploratory part of Pokemon Go comes when we walk and then Pokemon pop up and then we attempt to catch them. If one feels so inclined, we may play in AR mode or augmented reality mode, where you can see the Pokemon in real time what we look like in our natural environment. Or rather in our environment around us. However, I don't necessarily recommend this mode because this mode makes the Pokemon a bit harder to catch and probably less as fun. And of course, there are limits to what Pokemon Go can do. Like, example, in the game, you'll know immediately what type of Pokemon it is. You have a Pokédex, which is a Wikipedia that can tell you whatever this Pokemon is and what type it is. In real life, we don't have such benefits. For example, you may look at this plant and I have no idea what it is. Okay. A lot of times, the insects on the ground or the animals in the water, you don't get a complete picture and you have no idea what they are. Right? Let's take a look at this creature it is over there. What do you think it is? For most people, they may really think that, hey, it's a scorpion. But look carefully, it has 6 legs. It's a pseudo-scorpion. A scorpion has 8. So misidentification is something that does not happen in Pokemon Go. But in real life, it happens a lot. So this part, Pokemon Go does not do very well. And another thing I don't like is the battle system. The battle system is basically a game of fastest finger first. Whoever taps the button faster will attack more. Sure, you may dodge attacks, and sure, you may put Pokemon against each other types, but the point is that it usually takes so much effort, and most of the time you'll just be tapping your phone trying to release your most powerful attacks before your Pokemon goes down, and you only stop when their Pokemon goes down. So, in conclusion, Pokemon Go is an untapped educational tool that can be used to teach students on the exploratory nature of science. Even though there are some flaws, but nevertheless it's Niantic's good attempt to create Pokemon game that focus on exploring the world. So this is Worlds Apart Gaming and I'm signing off. Thank you.